The Hudson School art faculty are all working artists, and we model lifelong art practice. At the younger grade levels, we introduce students to the basic building blocks of art: line, color, volume, shape, form, texture, etc. Through a series of imaginative projects that utilize a wide range of media, students develop skills in drawing, painting, three-dimensional sculpture. At the high school level, we regularly and willingly adapt and modify our curriculum based on the interest of our students. In all cases, all of our high school students are required to spend a year studying art history as part of their introduction to fine art.